Okay, we got this really cool kids makeup kit, and I really like it because it's non-toxic. Everything is washable, skin friendly, and it is frozen themed. And also I like that it's portable. You can pack up all your little makeup back in here and then take it to wherever you're going. Are you girls ready to see what's inside? Okay, Mama. I'll wash it off after.
No, go. Wow,
Like
she knew
that.
what to do with it.
Like that look.
She knew more or less what to do with it. That's the problem.
Like this look.
No,
No,
on the lips, like
Loose,
that.
like this.
That's enough. Now go like this.
Perfect, like that.
Yeah, there you go.
With your mouth closed.
Babe, you got two of them. I know, I see
Okay,
it.
wait your turn
I
to
see it.
see.
Wait, Lucy. I'll do yours next. You do yours. It comes with some lipsticks, some brushes, and then look at all these nail polishes.
It comes with like
Blush.
these polishes and really cool of them.
Some eyeshadows.
It makes a great gift.
Did you like it?
She's all into it.